Imagine a city without traffic jams, where the streets are always clear and you never have to worry about being late. Picture streets flowing with autonomous vehicles, moving seamlessly and safely, each car communicating with the others to ensure a smooth journey. This is the promise of the AI city, a future where artificial intelligence transforms urban living as we know it, making our daily lives more convenient and efficient. AI is poised to revolutionize urban environments, making them more efficient, sustainable, and citizen-centric. Imagine cities powered by renewable energy, with AI optimizing every aspect of urban life. From transportation to infrastructure management, AI's potential to enhance our cities is vast. Smart transportation systems will reduce congestion, while AI will manage city infrastructure with precision. The transition to AI-driven cities won't happen overnight. It will be a gradual process requiring significant investment and adaptation. It requires careful planning, collaboration between policymakers and technologists, and a commitment to ethical AI development. Ensuring that AI is used responsibly and benefits everyone is crucial. However, the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. The advancements in technology can lead to unprecedented improvements in our quality of life. By embracing AI, we can create urban spaces that are not only technologically advanced but also more livable and inclusive for all. These cities will be designed to cater to the needs of every citizen, ensuring a better future for everyone. At the heart of the AI city is the concept of interconnectedness. AI thrives on data, and cities are abundant sources of it. Sensors, cameras, and smart devices constantly generate information about traffic patterns, energy consumption, and citizen movement. AI can analyze this data in real time to optimize city services, making them more efficient and responsive to the needs of residents. Imagine AI regulating traffic flow, adjusting traffic light timings dynamically to reduce congestion. Envision AI-powered waste management systems that optimize collection routes based on real-time data, minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. These are just a few examples of how AI can transform the urban landscape, making cities smarter and more sustainable. The city of Vicente Lopez in Argentina offers a glimpse into the transformative potential of AI in urban environments. Facing challenges with traffic management and road safety, Vicente Lopez turned to AI for solutions. The city implemented an AI-powered system that uses cameras and sensors to monitor traffic violations and optimize traffic light synchronization. The results have been impressive. The AI system has led to a significant reduction in traffic accidents and improved traffic flow. Vicente Lopez's success story serves as a model for other cities looking to leverage AI for urban development. It demonstrates that even small-scale AI implementations can have a tangible impact on the lives of citizens. Section 4. Navigating the ethical dimensions of AI cities. As we embrace the potential of AI in our cities, it is crucial to address the ethical implications. The integration of AI into urban environments promises to revolutionize how we live,